Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to give you 3 things you can do that when you add them all up will equal $600,000 for you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me and it helps the channel grow. So the very first thing I want to talk about is Roth IRAs. Roth IRAs have a maximum contribution of $6,000 in 2021. If you were to not spend or not pay or not invest the full $6,000, let's say you only put in $300 a month to your Roth IRA. Well, let me back up. Roth IRAs, consider them like an umbrella. And under that umbrella, you can invest in different buckets that sit under the umbrella. You can invest in the index fund bucket, or you could invest in the mutual fund bucket, or you could put your money that's in the Roth IRA into the single stock bucket, or you can obviously put your money in the EFT bucket. So think of a Roth IRA as an umbrella with different buckets where you can deposit the money. $6,000 is the max for an individual. $7,000 if you're over 50 years old for an individual in 2021. And that max increases slightly in some years, most years. But it's $6,000 in this year. But you don't have $6,000. You've only got $300 a month. And you'd have to find that $300 a month. If you cut out a few things, took your budget, written budget, took the $300 that you're going to put in your Roth IRA and put it at the top of your budget, right next to your giving, tithing, whatever you do in terms of giving money. But taking that and making it a priority to pay yourself into your Roth IRA first, just $300 a month, it makes a big difference. If that $300 a month were allowed to grow for 15 years, that $300 a month into the Roth IRA at 10% interest, which is about slightly under the average that of in the last 10 years in the market, that $300 a month would grow to $125,000. Now, in 15 years, money takes time. You can get rich quick, but you can do it the much less risky way and utilize time and the time value of money. So a Roth IRA is number one. $300 a month into a Roth IRA at 10% interest gets you $125,000 in 15 years. You may be saying to yourself, why don't more people do it? That's a question I ask. The second way, if you have a job and your job has a 401k or a 403b, contribute 3% of your before tax money. Remember, Roth IRA is after tax money, but when you contribute to a 401k at your job, it's before tax money. So contribute 3%. Perhaps, hopefully, your job matches at least 3%. If you contribute 3% and your job matches 3%, always take advantage of the match. I always get max and match mixed up, but take advantage of the match that the job offers. If you just put 3% into your 401k at your job and they match 3% and you get 10%, again, your job is going to have buckets. Just like that Roth had buckets, your jobs in retire investments, 401k, 403b, they'll have buckets. that you can choose to put your money into. If you got 10% and you only put in 3% and the job matched 3%, you'd have around $100,000 in 15 years. So I just gave you two places, a Roth IRA and your job's 401k or 403b. Those two places alone will get you $225,000 in 15 years if you take advantage of it. But here's number three. Buy a home. Buy a home for $250,000 and put it on a 15-year mortgage. The one beauty and the thing I really enjoy about a 15-year mortgage is that 15-year mortgages pay off in 15 years. So I like a 15-year mortgage for that one reason. There's no paying, you save $100,000 or so in interest or more that you don't have to pay. And it pays off. It's yours after the 15 years if you put it on a 15-year mortgage. So if you bought a $250,000 home and that home appreciated by an average of 3% per year, gone up in value by 3%, after 15 years, your home would be worth about $375,000. Now, that's $375,000 that's yours, all equity to you and your net worth. So, let's recap. The Roth IRA, only $300 a month, $125,000 in 15 years. Contributing towards your 401k at your job, only 3%, and they match 3%, $100,000 after 15 years. Buy a home today for $250,000, put it on a 15-year mortgage, worth $375,000 in 15 years, for a grand total of $600,000. Money is not complicated. Money is not difficult to understand. Money is about discipline, and it's about doing a few simple things over a long period of time consistently. So if you do these three things, just three things, I didn't say become an expert at this or an expert at that. Those are things you can do to increase your salary as you get older. Because who says you're going to be making just $50,000 in 15 years? You may be making $100,000. And then those numbers I just gave you go up. Okay? Who says you can only contribute $300 to your Roth IRA? If I just gave you scenarios, but if you increase those scenarios, you won't have 600,000. You may have 900,000. You may have 1,000,000. You may have 1.1. The point is start to do something. These are three quick things that anybody can do. I say anybody, most people can do, including you, more than likely. Three things to get you $600,000. Again, money isn't complicated. If you learned how to become a plumber, you can learn money. If you learned how to work on computers, you can understand money. If you have a master's degree in business administration, you can understand money. So my point is that it's made to seem scary and spooky and fearful and shameful, and we don't want to talk about it. But if you just start having that conversation internally with yourself, these three things can get you where you want to go. Who wouldn't want to have $600,000 in 15 years? If you're 25 years old right now, that means you're only 40 years old. You got another 20 years to build up, 6 million. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please hit the like button and share the video, and please subscribe. It helps me and it helps the channel. Remember, the best person to take care of the old you is the young you. Take care of yourself, take care of others. I'll talk to you on the next video. Peace.